Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Thank you. What's up, man? Sorry, excuse me. No, you're good. Doing YouTube videos. Wow. Whew. That box is a lot bigger than it looks in picture.
It is.
Oh man. Do you want me to shut this? I'll let you shut. That's a lot of fab work I see to do that baffle like that.
It was a lot of work.
Wow. Is it? Did you steel cage it? Did you just woodwork or?
It's braced throughout.
Yes, sir.
Cross sections all the way on the bottom.
Yes, sir.
The sides all the way up. So triple baffled all the way around.
So what is your equipment and specs on it?
So it's 12 ZV5 or 12 ZV6,
Okay.
15s on 3 Sundown Audio 12K. Then we have 6 504 on the doors, Rogue Audio 10s, Neos on top, mid bass on the bottom.
Looks really good. And is that a 4th or is there a 6 port?
It's a 6th order.
Okay. Oh, I see the port.
6th order.
Yeah.
900 amp hour lithium underneath this.
Under this?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. That's a lot of lithium.
We didn't have enough time to get the third alternator on, so we're only on 2 twin 425 CPS batteries.
Yes, sir.
See if we can find something.
Okay. Have you done any SPL tests on it yet?
We just got it running at 8:20 this morning.
All right. Wow. Nice. So the door's not shut all the way. I hope.
It's okay.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure you knew. Really outdone yourself, and I know you said you just finishing up some of this stuff.
This morning, so we still got a lot of testing and tuning.
Yes, sir. Nice work.
Thank
and
you.
It's really clean the way you have the amp stage set up, and you can visually see behind. I mean, this is like a perfect showcase truck for anywhere, man.
It is.
Nice job.
Andy Wardrop at Pirate Customs Tampa is the one.
Pirate Customs, all
He's
right.
the one that I told him what I wanted it.
Yeah.
He designed it and put it together. He took my vision and made it a reality.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. This place to you.
No one knows what it's like.
The bass is crisp, but the music doesn't fall off either.
No.
Y'all have really outdone yourself. And I know you said you're just finishing up some of this stuff.
This morning, so we still got a lot of testing and tuning.
Yes, sir. Nice work. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Good job, Pirate Customs.
Thank you.